Okay, in this video, for those at home, I'm going to teach you how to install Python. If you have a Mac, the steps should still be very similar, but they might be different. So just in case, I'm going to link a couple Mac videos for installing Python in the description below. So to start, again, in the description below, click on the link python.org/downloads. That'll take you to this page. Now ignore all these download buttons here. I need you to click the giant download button right here. That's yellow. That at the time of this recording is download Python 3.8.2. Now you won't see it, but in the bottom left of my browser, it started installing. That's because I'm on Chrome. If you're on a different browser, it might download somewhere else. Either way, if you go to your File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder, you'll see Python, and at the time of this video, 3.8.2. All you have to do to download is double click it. You don't need to do custom installation. All you have to do is install now. Admin controls will come up asking if you want to give this permission to download. Just click yes, and it'll start installing. Once your installation is done, you'll see this that says setup was successful. All you have to do is click close. Now there's two options. Idle might be right here, but if not, and you want to code an idle, which automatically comes with Python, in the bottom left, click idle or search idle. Then you can click it and start coding in Python on your home computer.